Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog. In this episode, we are going to be taking the H22A engine block for the Prelude build up to PFI to go and get it taken to the machine shop so that way we can get everything sorted on it that we need to try and make some real horsepower. But before we do that, let's have a little bit of discussion with some of the cars that are on the channel and kind of the plan. So as you guys already know, we were able to get Waggo up and running. She has a couple things that still need to get sorted. I basically need to figure out a vacuum leak, but other than that, she seems to be pretty sorted and running really well. I just really want to get it dialed in and kind of just, you know, drive it around a little bit how it is first, and then we're going to get working on turbo stuff with Waggo a little bit later. Okay, so a couple of you guys were asking me, hey, what happened to the Prelude? Like, where's it at? We haven't seen it on the channel in a bit. So basically, the oil pump went out in this thing, and it's just been down for about like a month and a half now. So as you guys can see, she's dirty. She got a flat tire right there. She is not in her best shape right now, but what we're about to do, like I said, is we're going to basically take the block over to the machine shop, and we're going to start doing turbo stuff with this thing, really just getting it set up to go turbo. I kind of want to make 600 or 650. I think that would be a blast in this car, and I just think that would be awesome. So really the main focus right now on the channel is going to be getting the Prelude, the motor for it built, getting it turboed, getting it tuned, and all that stuff. This is going to be the first like turbo car in the channel, so you know there's going to be a lot of learning for sure, but you know we're going to get through it and we're going to get it done. So starting now, the Prelude is going to be going under the knife. Here we have the 330i wagon, the manual swap wagon. She's here sitting pretty. So kind of sad news, I ended up letting her go, and actually basically what I'm getting from this car is going to be fueling the next build that I'm going to be doing. We're not done with BMWs, but the next build after this one, I might get some hate for it. We'll see how it goes. It's really going to be a really in-depth build. You know, it's going to be a bit of a challenge, but I want to try it. And I think, you know, maybe it could spark some other things in the car community to happen. So those are basically the channel announcements. So right now, let's get this engine block loaded up and let's get it off to the machine shop. All right, cool guys. We're here at PFI Speed. I just dropped off all the H22A stuff, so off to the machine shop it goes. We should probably get it back within the next week or two. But within that time, we're going to be accumulating other parts that we need for the turbo build. Really, we just need pistons, obviously a turbo, and then all the other little things with that. So yeah, I mean, this is a huge step forward in the direction of getting the Prelude turbo. As you guys can see, this is the PFI shop here. Always something on the dyno getting worked on. It's a beautiful NSX here. You guys that really know, this is my dream car, so coming soon.
I'm gonna get the G42 1200, so it'll make, trying to make 1,000.
1,000? Is that like the end goal? Like 1,000 all-wheel drive?
Well, not end goal, but definitely the goal right now. Boost cut hits like 43 pounds right now. It's hitting over 40 pounds. We turned it down a little bit, so.
Right, that's sick.
We wanted to make more power here for some reason.
At altitude?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird.
Usually like, yeah, I don't know why. For some reason, it keeps hitting boost cut out here, and it wasn't. It's on the same tune as Florida. We didn't change anything.
Right.
Still gotta go through it. I just did a fresh rebuild on it. So.
Right.
Mommy's gonna sing you a song.
cable, it's the bracket.
Oh,
it's the bracket
for the cable.
So like when I'm in full boost, it pushes it and it bends the bracket out. It like broke the one.
Well guys, I'd say today was a pretty productive day. Got the block over here dropped off. I spoke to Brent about some stuff, just figuring out everything we want to do, and things are looking pretty good so far. All the guys up here at PFI Speed are super cool. They always treat me really well, so I like coming up here, you know, even if I have questions and stuff, I can always ask them, and they're usually very transparent with me with information. But we should be getting the block back for the Prelude probably within the next week or two, so fingers crossed that the block isn't cracked, the head is fine, the crank is straight. They're gonna rotate it, test everything. I just want to make sure that, you know, when we put this motor together, everything is sorted properly. I don't want to have any issues like that regarding the motor. That will have to be worked out. But that's gonna be all for today's vlog, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It wasn't super long, but you know, I just wanted to inform you guys on what's going on. There's been a lot of Wago content. You guys know everything that's been going on with Wago. We just saved her from like the fire stuff, but yeah, you know, now it's time to move forward. Like I said, there's a couple more things I need to dial in with Wago. She has a vacuum leak and just, you know, VTEC stuff. But really, you know, it's just little things now. She seems to drive pretty fine. But if you guys like the video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me. And as you guys know, I'm just trying to grow the channel one good video at a time. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Still better on my worst day. Y'all ain't even coming close, y'all get no play. Most of y'all just too much hype. You ain't never had a show, you the online type, yeah.